Hey everybody, it's hot in here. It's very hot, but it's the 16th of August. So guess what? It's going to be hot in Texas. Here's what's going on the Alfa Romeo time, right here. I'll talk you through some of the stuff going on. Brand new custom made piece. We put a little bit of body filler on it, on top of it to fill in some of the irregularities. Still got to sand that down some more. Sand that down and maybe add a little bit more body filler to it to get it like that side right there. You remember these trunks? This trunk is all custom made. This is a generic fit spider pan, made to fit along the new quarters. Well, it's not made to fit. I had to make it fit. That's what I'm saying. I had to make this pan fit in this car. This is all custom built right here. This is all custom. All that metal all in here. Hand fabricated. Now, let me show you the fun stuff. Under here, okay, it's the right side quarter. Now you gotta remember, brand new quarters on both sides. New floors, new rockers, new lower wings, parts of the fender, new valance up front. Underneath there is all brand new. A lot of work. So anyways, let me show you inside here what's going on. I'll just flip around. I'm going to get upside down. This is what I've been doing. It's kind of hard to render this. This is the half of the outer wheelhouse, which I had to remove it to get the quarter on to fit properly and then reinstall it after making the corrected repairs of the rust. So I'm leaning backwards now doing this welding, and this is upside down butt welding sheet metal with big gaps, and I can't get a spoon back there, and that's just interesting how it goes. So keep the camera oriented. This right here is all, pan back a little bit. This here is all custom made metal, all brand new. The new trunk, or the spare tire container right there. And then of course the trunk drop off right in on the other side of this, that's all brand new, and it's tied into the bottom of the rocker, or not rocker, but the bottom of the quarter right there. And I still got to make a piece to go here, make a piece for that, and finish welding, and then I can say that all metal work will be done, with the exception of this little gap in here. I'm going to fix. I'm going to fix that. The other side doesn't have that much of a gap. I wanted to get this up to Doug for painting by this weekend, but that's not going to happen because we've still got some more work to do on it, and I don't want to rush to get things done, because when I rush, that's when things get screwed up, and I hate screwing up stuff. It's easy to do, hard to fix, and costly to fix. So this Alfa Romeo is almost done. Well, done with me, I should say. It's not almost done. It's got a lot more work still to do, but it's almost done with me. So, sure is hot. I'm gonna get this thing bundled up and sent off to YouTube, and then put the fans on. So that's that. Well, the lift is in, it's in place, but I just don't have the wiring all done on it yet. This all right here, this is the pigtail they gave me, so I'm going to get rid of that or splice it up on the inside and run this through here with this flex conduit right here. That's the intent. Sure is hot. I'm going to close out, and the Alfa will be done early September. I'm taking off for 2 weeks for a little bit, a couple days, so it'll be done here very shortly. Tschüss!